actually hailing outside. Yeah, what is up, guys? This is Frostbite XZ. And, oh wow, this storm was sending out some hail earlier when I was asleep. Holy mother of Christ. No, I didn't expect it to be hailing while I was asleep, but yeah, this storm is looking like shit. Oh, well, you know, there's still some hail dropping. Oh, there goes a hailstone. There's hailstones dropping every now and then. It was going down a whole lot worse. Oh, shit. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna put my hand around the camera, so. Holy mother of actual hell. And I'm not meaning that as much of a pun. I mean, there is literally hell coming down. Now, I did feel the temperature outside, and it feels like it's dropping worthy enough to drop hailstones. So, yeah, who would have thought that here in my town would have been having hailstorm? But, anyways, as it's pretty much kind of calming down, but the temperature outside seems to be cold enough to let the hail come down. So, there's the sky. Again, if you're wondering, yeah, I'm filming it outside my door. Nah, I should have been recording earlier, but I was kind of asleep. You're probably thinking to yourself, well, how can someone sleep through a storm like this? Well, I'm a heavy sleeper. There's already starting to be some flooding. This has just been hell of a hailstorm. And it's just coming down now. Just now starting to calm down. Holy hell. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make that as the video title, Holy Hell. But, as you can see, there's no more hailstorm I'm going through. There goes another hailstone. Probably can't see it with the camera. I'm not being zoomed in. But it's right there. Oh yeah, you probably could see it a little. What? Is that it? I'm kidding. Let it be all. The lights almost went out while I was asleep. Well, this phone's partly waterproof. The back end is kind of messed up, so I don't have to seal on the charging ports bit. Well, it's it rains. Oh yeah, this seat's no good, so. Get some flooding there. There. Abandoned house. Ugh. Yeah, fudge monkeys. That is gold. Mother of God. That was something. Usually you don't see hail coming down around my town. Oh, I'm sure Houston had it worse. I'm sure Houston had it worse. Look at all that flooding. No bueno. I swear this trailer park always floods when it gets gentle raining. Just this much. Sorry about that. That's tape. Wow. Every time it just freaking rains. Anyways, this video was first going to be about my laptop until the rain started up. So, anyways, this is what we got here is an Acer Aspire 5920, and this is not the G model. Sorry, not the G model, and it's asleep. Let's bring it out of sleep. Now, I would have recorded with my live cam that's right up there, but for some reason the CPU is just not strong enough for a full 720p recording at 30 frames a second. Now, I do have multiple hard drives. I've set it to scammer revolt that I have multiple hard drives for this computer. And yes, I did see a computer revolts. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. And if you guys try to get that password, I swear I'm going to change it. I will change it in a heartbeat. Anyways, nothing special. Running Windows 10 on it, it used to run Vista, but for some reason was in a login loop. This is where I left it last night. But the screen that I'm using is a Acer AL 1916W. Let's connect it with this because the backlight on this laptop is just shot. Just like its battery. Shot. And yes, that's my background. Deal with it. Anyways, let's see if we can focus on what kind of processor it has. You gotta focus. Yes. That's the processor for you. The hard drive, and yes, I did cover up the serial number for the hard drive, but that's the hard drive that's in it. It's a Western Digital Scorpio Blue. And let's see, I don't have Bessie in there. Yeah, that's my two external stuff, the installer and my SD card. Nothing special about that. Of course, y'all probably looking for the specs. Come on. There we are. There we are. So, going down the line slowly. Maximize. There's that finder. Yeah, that's about it about the hardware. Now, I do have another hard drive with Linux, but it takes about 5 minutes of my time to swap hard drives, which gets boring. I know y'all probably see my last video of me changing the hard drive is on there. But I have said this before in my last video. I got the maximum of RAM, which are 2 gigabit sticks of Hynix. And that's nothing really special. They do save power on this, but this bastard still does get a bit hot. And I got like a cooling pad underneath there from Oh No. And that's not really me saying Oh No, that's the brand name. Awkwardly, it's there's no light around here, so it's right there. Yeah, it's right there. You can't see it, but it's got like a large fan right in the middle, and I got the fan speed dialed all the way up. Now you can't see the grooves that are in this, but that's what holds this laptop up as well. Oh, and I got it at an angle. I've probably seen the compaq computer, the sound test. Hang on for a second. Back again. Now, this is an old AVG sticker. I've probably shown y'all on, like, my Toshiba that's dead. But about the sound test computer that I was doing, that's still here. That's connected with the C machine's monitor. Now, I didn't have it on because of the storm. Even though I got like a power strip, still, you get to be safe. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here, and that's, yeah, my microphone. You know, this laptop has a dual array microphone. I got an external mic from a karaoke machine. My headset, that's my mom's Chromebook. A life cam right above this monitor also has a microphone. Nothing fancy about that. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. Peace.